All right, we're going to show you how to replace pads on the ZOLL AED Plus AED. The great thing about the pads and battery pack for the adult pads on the ZOLL AED Plus is that they both last for approximately 5 years, which means not only do you get a longer life out of those supplies, but you can replace them all at once, and it decreases the amount of touches you have to do with the AED. So when those pads get to the point of expiration and we're going to switch those out, we're simply going to unzip the case if you have a case on the AED. And then we pop open the case, and you'll see that the adult pads are typically taped into the inside of the case here. So we want to peel those off and make sure that the tag comes with it. And we'll talk about that more in just a minute here. And then we're just going to simply unplug the pads, which takes just a little bit of force. Here we've got a new set of pads that lists the expiration date right on the outside. In this case, it's end of August 2022. We're going to take the pads out. The other great thing about ZOLL is they include a little first responder kit attached to every single set of pads. So there's no need to have an additional first responder kit attached to the side of the AED. They have a separate first responder kit with every set of pads. So we're simply going to unwrap this cord. We've got our pads right here. We want to double check that expiration date. Then we're going to place those pads inside the case and have those pads placed just inside. And then we're going to go ahead and plug them in, make sure they're plugged in nice and snug. What we really want is to have this tag popping out, which is going to show us the expiration date at a quick glance. So the way this works is we take this fluorescent yellow tag and we slide it through the lid of the AED. It's a little bit tricky, but once it's in place, it's a nice feature. Once it's slid in, I'm going to make sure the pads are set inside the case there, and then I'm going to place the case back onto the AED. Once it's closed, I've got the fluorescent tag showing the expiration date right there. There we go. The readiness indicator is still showing that green check, so we're ready to go. With the pediatric pads, it's going to be the exact same process. So in the case of a pediatric emergency event, if your AED has pediatric pads, in this case we have those right in the back. We always want to use these for patients 55 pounds or less, or 25 kilograms, or 8 years old or less. So in this case, we'll open up this set of pads, and as you can see, it's set up the exact same way. We're just going to plug in the plug here. Here's the tag that pops out. But in the case of an emergency, we'll just plug this in and we'll be ready to go. Keep in mind with the pediatric pads with the ZOLL AED Plus, they have an expiration date that's typically 2 years from the date of manufacture, so it's a little shorter than the adult pads. So that's all there is to replacing pads with the ZOLL AED Plus.
Good to go.